All right, welcome back. I just got back from my second pre-release. So did my first one yesterday, which was Friday. Today, Saturday, I did another one. Tomorrow I got a third one, and then Wednesday I should have a fourth one. So it was pretty fun. I won at least one game. So, well, technically two, but one win out of matches. So this was prize support. So let's open this, and then I'm gonna open a box and see what we get. Finn. All right. Let's just get to the good stuff. Oh, not bad. Hyperspace rare. At the Wookiee win. All right. Oh, let me keep this stuff separate. Oh, I forgot my knife again, but good thing I have nails. So yeah, really enjoying the game. Can't wait to try out some new champs and construct it, but so far limited, pretty fun. It's been pretty cool. Today I played Kylo Ren as my not very good in limited format, but it worked out a little bit. I mean, I can see the potential for sure in a constructed, but you know, you got to try stuff out. So I tried it out. It was fun. Then I also picked up an extra pre-release kit, so I'll probably make a video on that and just open that. I'm sure most people that actually watch these videos would already know. What the heck? Would already know what a pre-release kit looks like, but if you don't, come back for that video. And this is weird. Never seen that. Okay. I was hoping they all be legendaries or something. I mean, that would have been great. I played against Rey. She can be pretty nasty. That's for sure. Look at that again. The first pack didn't have this, right? That's weird, unless I bypassed it. Going through it so fast. No, I'm pretty sure. Oh, no. Was it because the first pack? Was it because the first pack was my bonus pack? So it's only two this time. That's pretty weird. But only commons again, so you would think a mistake like that, they can make them legendaries or something. Yeah, that's, no, you know. It's cool when there's stuff like that, but it's better when it's actually something good. Alright, I got fixed, I guess. So yeah, I'm thinking Kylo Ren might be fun to play. I'm not sure. I haven't really tested anything else out. I haven't been testing or even watching any of the Carabast, you know, stuff that people have been playing. I kind of like to wait on that. Yeah, here goes again. So 3. All commons, so nothing special. All right, finalizer. I pulled one yesterday's box, but that one was hyperspace, not foil, but hyperspace. So a little better than that one. Wonder if these are gonna be mapped like the first set. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's randomized better, so we don't know what we're gonna get. Because it's kind of bummer sometimes when you get a certain legendary and you know the ones next to it were kind of shit. So it was always a bummer. Hyperspace foil common. Man, I need a hyperspace foil legendary because Yesterday's box, I got 4 hyperspace foils, all commons. So it was kind of a bummer. There he is, Kylo Ren. He was fun. I can see the potential. It's just not unlimited. There's not enough cards that do stuff out of the discard pile. That's a legendary. Okay. Turn each non-leader unit to its owner's hand. And then full. Okay. Okay. Could be a good one in my Bubba Cunning deck if I stick with him. Obviously, I kind of want to try some of the new heroes first, because why not? Gotta try the new fancy stuff. Here we go again. Man, I wish these were like, if it was so great, it'd be so amazing if there's everything turned around was legendary. Alright. Yeah, I also picked up a case. Paid a little more than I wanted to, but still below current market prices, so can't really complain, but I don't know. Rather get stuff at MSRP at least, minimum, you know, or maximum. Yeah, this is weird. So the machine was doing something funky, and these packs were being nice rare foil. Excited for tomorrow's pre-release. Maybe I actually learned something on my first 2, because I've been getting whooped pretty bad. Yesterday I only won 1 game. My first game. This time I only won my last game, but it's alright. As long as I'm having fun. And I am. Still enjoying the game. Rich reward. No, backwards cards again. Still commons. Another Supreme Leader. This is, so I pulled one in my, I can't remember if it was, I think it might have been just the pack they gave us at the beginning, because they gave us 1 pack and then 1 pack per win. It's just, I think I pulled one in there. So, and in my box yesterday I had a foil one. I pulled a foil one, so that's a playset. Not that I plan to play him, but still a playset for my binder. So I got 3. Here's hoping for 2 bonus slot legendaries. Would be great. Usually average 3 regular legendaries in boxes, unless they changed it up, but I don't think so. I think that's what I got in the first box. That's what I've seen everyone else pretty much get. And let's see if I can get a Darth Maul, because he's gonna be a pretty rare, short printed rare, I'm sure. Considering in my opinion, he should have been a legendary, but not a lot of focus right there. Ooh, Millennium Falcon. It's a non-common, but it's a new one. Nice. Pretty cool. Hyperspace foil back there. Hopefully not a common or uncommon. Rare above would be nice. I'll try to, should be going a little slower since new set, you know. Okay, it's a rare. I'll take it. Nice, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Someone was playing that earlier today. It's kind of cool in a sense. Obviously, you want to be able to defeat it right away and have. So if you have a unit, they can take it out right away after you play it, and your opponent takes it. It'd be great. But I think I was watching him play, and the gentleman that played it forgot to play it from his discard pile, so he never actually used it. He forgot all about it. Alright, still no bonus legendaries. I'm thinking this might be an average box with just the 3 regular legendaries. Oh, here we go again. Only 2 this time, but still commons. They didn't sneak in some good stuff. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Bonus slot legendary, hyperspace. So another evacuate, and then Palpatine's return. Ooh, and a foil Boba Fett's armor. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. I'll take it. Hopefully one more legendary in here. A foil one would be nice. Well, hyperspace foil preferably, but you know, foil one would be good too. Just to get 5 would be nice. Another weird backwards stuff. Still only commons. Ooh. Carsantan? Is that how you say it? Carsantan? I don't know. He looks badass though. He's a badass Wookiee. Give in to your anger. Alright, I think I got 4 packs left after this. Another Bosk. Some more backwards cards. Still all commons. Pretty cool looking card. Not gonna lie. The only thing that just thought about it when I looked over to that hyperspace foil. The only thing seems different in this set than the first one is Chewbacca foil. Is these foils, especially the hyperspace more so, I guess all of them, but they just seem to be curling. Like I don't remember that from the first set. I don't think they were having that issue, so I don't know what it is. I don't know if they changed something or what, because I mean, maybe they're happening. I never noticed it, so I don't know if these were just the climate control wasn't very good. I don't know. Hyperspace foil back there though. I think it's a, yeah, it should be. Hopefully a legendary. That'd be amazing. And those do not go there. That goes there. These go here. And more backwards cards. I don't know if anyone got a sneak peek at that. Hopefully it's not a common, but I'm assuming it is. First light. Yeah, common. Common. One pack left. I doubt it's gonna have a legendary. So 4 legendaries, not too bad. I guess evacuates. I don't know if it's gonna be played in Cunning Bubba, but we'll see. Another hyperspace foil, right? Yeah. Anyone tell what it is? It's a 2-drop. Green, I think. Okay. It's pretty cool looking. Ooh. Hell yeah, I'll take it. I already got Ray, 2 of them. And, oh, just an uncommon. But that's pretty cool. So far I've gone pretty lucky on my 2 boxes. So recap. So in this one was 4 regular legendaries and a bonus one. Not too bad. Not bad at all. So I got 2 of these now. I got a playset of Snoke. 2 of these. Pretty cool. Yeah, Kylo Ren. While playing this unit, ignores aspect penalty if you control Rey. On attack, give a unit +2 for this space. If it's a non-unit, also give it a... Man, interesting. All right, well, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Give it a thumbs down, a thumbs up, whichever you like. If you liked the video, if you didn't like it, that's fine. Otherwise, subscribe if you like. Come back for more. I do appreciate you. And yeah, most importantly, have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. And go out to some pre-releases. Enjoy the game. You know, pre-releases don't come around often, and they're a lot of fun to try out the game for the first time before we all settled into our metas and all that good stuff. So yeah, enjoy yourself and have fun. Thank you so much.